Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Rich Text section. The Rich Text section allows you to display beautifully styled content on your store. Perfect for sharing important information, highlighting key messages, and improving your store's overall look and feel. It helps create a more engaging experience for your customers with clear, well-organized content. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Rich Text section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Then, navigate to Template and locate the Rich Text section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings and open Free Widgets. Once enabled, return to Template and select the Rich Text section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Rich Text, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Rich Text section will be displayed. Desktop. The section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile. The section appears only on mobile devices. Both. The section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. Use container size to control how wide the Rich Text section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides for a clean and consistent layout. Full expands the section to full width, removing side spacing for a bold, edge-to-edge look. Custom lets you define a specific width to better match your design needs. You can choose a width between 700 pixels and 1,600 pixels, giving you the flexibility to create a compact layout or a wider, more spacious design based on your content and overall store style. You can also adjust the desktop content position to align your content based on your layout preference. Left aligns content to the left for a clean, structured look. Center centers the content for a balanced and focused presentation. Right aligns content to the right for a unique, modern layout style. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles including none, curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. Each pattern offers a unique look, from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the Rich Text section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. Click Add Block to insert different content elements, including caption, description, double button, star rating, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, allowing you to design your section exactly how you want. And that's it. Your Rich Text section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.